салом алайкум дӯстдорони Englishkada. умедворам ки тансеҳату бардам ва саломат ҳастед. чӣ хеле ки медонед, ин барномаи саволу ҷавоб мебошад ва ин дарси дуввуми мо ҳаст. ҳадафи ин барнома баланд бардоштани сатҳи гапзании шумо мебошад. касоне ки дарси аввалро аз ҳамин барнома тамошо накардаанд, ман линки видеоро дар поён мемонам. дар омода тамошо кунед. Let's go. How much is it to go to Dushanbe? How much is it to go to Dushanbe? How much is it to go to Dushanbe? То ба Душанбе рафтан чӣ қадар пул лозим ҳаст? It's $17. It's $17. It's $17. $17. How much money do you make? How much money do you make? How much money do you make? شما چقدر پول کار میکنید؟ $10 per hour. $10 per hour. $10 per hour. در یک ساعت $10. What does this mean? What does this mean? What does this mean? این چی معنا دارد؟ That means friend. That means friend. That means friend. این معنایش دوست می باشد. What does he do for work? What does he do for work? What does he do for work? او چیکار میکند؟ یا که کسب او چیست؟ He's a pilot. He's a pilot. He's a pilot. او خلبان هست. Is it raining? Is it raining? Is it raining? آیا باران باریده ایستاده است؟ Yes, it's raining. Yes, it's raining. Yes, it's raining. بله، باران باریده ایستاده است. How tall are you? How tall are you? How tall are you? قد شما چقدر است؟ I'm 175 centimeters. I'm 175 centimeters. I'm 175 centimeters. قدی من 1.75 سانتیمتر می باشد. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? شما چند ساله هستید؟ I'm 44. I'm 44. I'm 44. من 44 ساله هستم. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you? شما چند ساله هستید؟ I'm 18 years old. I'm 18 years old. I'm 18 years old. من 18 ساله هستم. What time is checkout? What time is checkout? What time is checkout? وقتی پرداخت کردن حساب کی هست؟ یعنی کی حسابم رو پرداخت کرده از مهمانخانه روم؟ این سوال رو بیشتر در مهمانخانه ها استفاده میبریم. 11:30. 11:30. ساعت 11:03. What is today's date? What is today's date? What is today's date? امروز چندم هست؟ October 21st. October 21st. 21 اکتبر. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? چقدر پول دارد؟ I don't have any money. I don't have any money. I don't have any money. من تماما پول ندارم. How much money do you have? How much money do you have? How much money do you have? چقدر پول دارید؟ I have $200. I have $200. I have $200. من $200 دارم. What do you do for work? What do you do for work? What do you do for work? شما چیکار میکنید؟ یا که کسب شما چیست؟ I'm a salesman. I'm a salesman. I'm a salesman. من فروشنده هستم. How does it taste? How does it taste? How does it taste? مزه اش چخیل است؟ It's delicious. It's delicious. بامزه هست. How much are these earrings? How much are these earrings? How much are these earrings? این گوشوارها چقدر ارزش دارند؟ $1. $1. $1. $1. How much all together? How much all together? How much all together? همگی چند پول شدند؟ $11. $11. $11. How many languages do you speak? How many languages do you speak? شما با چند زبان گپ میزنید؟ I speak 2 languages. I speak 2 languages. I speak 2 languages. من با 2 زبان گپ میزنم. How many children do you have? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? شما چند فرزند دارید؟ I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. I have 3 children, 2 girls and 1 boy. من 3 فرزند دارم، 2 دختر و 1 پسر. How is she? How is she? How is she? او چخیل است؟ She's pretty. She's pretty. She's pretty. او زیبا است. How far is it? How far is it? How far is it? چقدر دور هست؟ About 300 kilometers. About 300 kilometers. About 300 kilometers. تقریبا 300 کیلومتر. خوب تماشابینان عزیز، ویدیو اینجا با آخر میرسد. اگر یگان سوال و یگان پشنهاده باشد حتما در کامنتاریا نویسید و پخش کردن لایک را دریغ ندارید. باقی سلامت باشید.